Hello guys, I just watched I just saw something on social media and I posted it on my page, and then I was seeing a lot of people's opinion on it. Now let me read out the question again so that some of you will understand. The guy said, his name is Bitcoin Chief. He said, I will give 10 million naira to anyone that shows me a Yoruba, Hausa or a non-Igbo person building an estate in an Igbo state. You're saying the challenge is open for the next 6 months. Somebody is challenging you to mention a Yoruba or a non-Igbo person that is building an estate. Do you know what it means to build an estate? He is asking you a reasonable question, and some of you are busy hailing yourself. Said Igbos. I saw a comment. Someone says Igbos are very enterprising. They should learn from us. You are talking like an ignorant person. Why are Nigerians not investing in the southeast? And then we are leaving our home to go and invest in another man's land. Someone is asking you to show him a Yoruba person or Hausa person that is returning the favor. If they are rejecting your place and you are rejecting your place, going to the place to invest more, you should ask yourself a question. If none of us can answer this guy's question, God, something is not right. No. This cannot continue. This does not look good. So there is no Yoruba man or an Hausa man that has built an estate. Are you guys? I have not realized this. So, like, I don't even know that there's something like this. I am surprised that I cannot answer that question. That there is no Yoruba man or a non-Igbo indigene that is building an estate in the southeast. And someone is taking 10 million naira and opening the question for the next 6 months. That means we should ask ourselves questions and be truthful to what is happening.